Hello, sixth graders. Today we started talking about writing ratios. I'm going to let you do the first problem on your own, and we're going to look at the second problem today. It says an artist used 6 tubes of red paint, 2 tubes of yellow paint, and 13 tubes of white paint. So I'm going to make that be gray because I can't highlight it in white. Right? Oh boy, and it says, and blank of blue paint for a mural. Oh boy, it looks to me like we're not going to be able to do this problem because I made a really big mistake on this. It says, and of blank blue paint, and of blue paint for a mural. Well, this is disappointing that I made this mistake, but if you watch this video, I'll give you a little bit of extra credit for having this correct answer. Let's make it 5. We'll call it 5 tubes of blue. Goodness gracious. All right. Now I'll be able to answer this question. All right. An artist used 6 tubes of red paint, 2 tubes of yellow paint, 13 tubes of white paint, and 5 tubes of blue paint for a mural. What is the ratio of blue paint to all of the tubes of paint used? Okay, so I see that here's the word 2. That means I need to write the blue paint first. I also am being asked to use TO, the colon, and a fraction to represent these. So it says blue paint, and now it says 5. So for the blue paint, I'm going to write 5 blue. So I have like 5B. Then I'm going to write the words TO. And then it said all tubes. So now I have to add them together. So I'm going to do this. Let's do it over on the side. 5 blue plus 6 red plus 2 yellow plus 13 white. Add those together. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 6 is 16. Carry the 1. So now I have a 1 and a 1. 2. It looks like 26. That's 26 total. So now I'm going to use that 26 and write 26 total. So the first way that I can write this ratio is 5B to 26 total. And if that's a little bit confusing to you, I can move this over and make that the word blue, B-L-U-E, right? The next time I'm going to write it, I'm going to keep the order the same, 5 blue, and this time I'm going to use the colon. 26 total. And then the last one is as a traditional fraction because the second number is a total. All right, 26 total on the bottom of my fraction. And then the number of blue goes on top. Well, I sure hope you see this video because you'll be the ones getting extra credit and your classmates will be the ones who are very confused. I went a little too fast when making this homework. On the top, I did do this problem on the top, so I am sure that this one actually works. Right? So draw a line to connect each phrase to the correct numerical representation. For this one, I would really recommend that if it says 9 trumpets, that you write the number 9 above trumpets every time you see it. And do that for each instrument. Here's 14 flutes. So I'm going to write 14 above flutes. That will really help you solve this problem. All right, tomorrow will be interesting when we go over this homework. I hope you have a great night.